How to delete projects in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website, then log into your account. Once logged in, click on Start Editing from the home page. Next, click on the History option from the left sidebar below the AI tools. Here you will see a list of all the projects you have created so far. To delete the project, locate the specific project you want to remove. Look for the delete icon or trash bin option next to the project name. Click on it. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to permanently delete the project. Confirm to remove the project from your NanoBanana.ai account. Repeat this process for any other projects you want to delete. Deleting older unnecessary projects helps you keep your workspace organized and reduces clutter. Now you know how to delete projects in NanoBanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.